Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are enjoying the English class on this digital platform. So once again, I welcome you in today's classroom, in today's class, part 3 of reported speech. Okay. So, we will continue the part 3 of reported speech. Okay. So, I have been teaching you direct and indirect speech. You are well aware of these two kinds of speech, direct and indirect speech. See this picture, please. So, direct speech and indirect speech. Six-step process have been given over here. Okay. 6-step process is explained over here. In this picture, in this beautiful picture, you can see. Direct speech repeats the words spoken, and indirect speech reports the words spoken. This is the difference between the two. It repeats the words spoken, indirect speech reports the words spoken. So the 6-step process of direct and indirect speech means how to convert from direct to indirect speech. It is given over here. Okay, see here. First process is you have to remove the comma and quotation marks. You have to remove the comma and quotation marks. I have told you, he said, I will play in the evening. So, I will play in the evening is basically given in inverted commas, and after said, after the reporting verb said, one comma is there. So, we have to remove the comma as well as the quotation marks while changing from direct to indirect speech. Okay? Then you have to change the reporting verb. You are also required to change the reporting verb. You have to change the reporting verb also. Okay? Then you have to use conjunction that. We use the. For example, he said he will play in the evening. He said I will play in the evening. He said that he would play in the evening. He said that he would play in the evening. That this is indirect speech. So that conjunction has come over there. Okay. So we have to use conjunctions. Then we need to change the pronoun also. Okay. So I will be explaining in detail about everything. Then the tense also needs to be changed. Tense of the verb, tense in the sentence, that is required to be changed. Then near adverbials become distant adverbials. Near adverbs become distant adverbs. Okay. So these are the 6-step process which we will require to change the sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Clear? So you see how to change from direct to indirect speech. Okay. See the examples. If you see the examples, it will become very much clear. Okay. See the first example. She said I play football. वो बोली कि मैं फुटबॉल खेलती हूँ. Okay. So this is direct speech. This is basically direct speech. इसको मैं कन्वर्ट करूंगा इनडायरेक्ट में, तो ये सी सेट का सी सेट रह जाएगा, कॉमा हट जाएगा, ये कॉमा हट जाएगा और यहां दैट आ जाएगा उसके बाद, और आई विल बी चेंज टू शी, प्ले इज चेंज टू प्लेड. ओके, रेस्ट एवरीथिंग सेम. शी सेड दैट शी प्लेड फुटबॉल. So you see the changes that conjunction has come over there and I is changed to she because वो बोल रही है. Here the subject refers to a female person. Subject यहाँ female है. She said अपने बारे में कह रही है, इसीलिए यहाँ फिर she आ जाएगा. ठीक है. She said that she played football. तो I की जगह यहाँ she आ गया है. ठीक है. वो कह रही है कि मैं से डिनोट कर रही है. तो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच एक्चुअली क्या है? देखो, ए ने बी को कुछ बोला, ठीक है, तो बी ने जो ए की बातों को बी ने सी को बताया, बी ने सी को ए की बातों को बताया, तो वो हो गया इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. जो तरीका से बताया वो हो जाता है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. यू सी हियर, he said I always drink tea. This is direct speech. This is direct speech. Okay. How to change it to indirect? They said we play cricket. They said इसका नहीं दिया है, डायरेक्ट स्पीच का इनडायरेक्ट नहीं दिया, तो मैं यहां बना देता हूं. He said that he always drank tea. Past, present will be changed to past. Drank tea. He said that he always drank tea. Clear? चेंजेस देख लिए हो? चेंजेस देख लिए हो ना? तो ये बन गया इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ठीक है. नाउ यू सी, दे सेड वी प्ले क्रिकेट. यहां कॉमा नहीं दिया गया है, गलती से प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है बेटा, एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर दैट. दे सेड वी प्ले क्रिकेट. वे लोग बोले हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, वी प्ले क्रिकेट. दे सेड दैट दे प्लेड क्रिकेट. तो इसमें चेंजेस में देखो क्या क्या चेंज